Hi, I'm Gwen Volen with the Volen Group based in Ponte Vedra Beach, Keller Williams, and I'm here to give you your September real estate market update. Data's a little late, data was delayed, and I was delayed a little bit, so apologies on getting this out late. But I'm going to run through the numbers. First, though, I wanted to answer a question that comes up this time of year from buyers, which is, should I wait until the spring when there's more inventory to buy? And my answer is no. If you see a house that you like, go buy it. Rates are not going to go down dramatically in the spring. You can always, refinance if for some reason something dramatic happens, but nothing really is indicating that. And, this time of year, if something's been sitting for a while, a seller may well be willing to negotiate a little bit with you. So I say go for it. Same as for investors. End of year, you can sometimes get some great deals. There are sellers that oftentimes want to get a property off the books and will take a little less than they might another time of year because they don't want to carry it into tax year 2026 in this case. So anyway, just a tip. So let's go ahead and look at the numbers. Ponte Vedra Beach, again, we're seeing a nice recovery from the spring. Month over month, we're up 6%, which is great for the fall, and year over year of 15%. I think year end, we're going to end up completely flat. So nobody worry that we're having a big crash in the area. We're not. Supply is still low. It's at 4 months. So it is not a wild buyer's market. There's not much choice. So if you're a seller, don't worry. Stop reading the headlines about other areas that are tanking. If we go through some of the other areas, you're seeing some of those monthly fluctuations. Jack's Beach shows it's down 26% from August. If you remember, they had a really high August. Our area isn't, up 1% from last year. Neptune, it's showing that it's down 18%. Even my Neptune, there were only 2 sales. So Neptune's numbers, it says it's got 15-month supply. It's just because there's not much in Neptune. It's a small community. Next month, it'll probably show 2. Atlantic Beach, I think it will probably end year down just a tiny bit. There were some crazy prices in Atlantic Beach in 2024. So a little course correction. Nocatee is the one market that I think it's probably going to end the year down. You see it's down month over month and year over year, 6% for the month, 22% if we're looking at September of 24 to 25. I suspect it's probably year to date going to end at about, it's probably going to be down about 9%. Reason for that is there's still new builds coming in. I'd say location, it's a great location. Those kinds of areas that are a little bit inland don't recover quite as quickly as property that it's a beach that you can walk to the beach. So anyway, hope that's helpful. Please reach out if you have questions. Call me, reach out on socials, email, available at any time to talk about your market if there's a specific area in Jacksonville you'd like to hear about. Thank you.